Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change text size in Autocad drawings. This is a very important skill because text that is too small can be difficult to read, while text that is too large can make your drawing look messy. Adjusting the text size properly helps make your drawings cleaner, more professional, and easier to understand. To get started, open your Autocad drawing and locate the text you want to resize. Take a moment to identify which text elements need adjustment before making any changes. Once you find the text, simply double-click on it. This will open the Text Editor tab, where you can edit the content and formatting of the selected text. You'll notice different editing tools appearing at the top of the screen. Next, highlight the text you want to modify using your mouse. You can select a single word, a sentence, or the entire text block, depending on what you want to change. Now look toward the upper left side of the Text Editor tools. Here, you'll find the text height box. This controls the size of your text inside the drawing. The current number represents the existing text size. Simply replace that value with your preferred size. For example, if the text looks too small, enter a larger value. If it looks too big, reduce the value until the text fits nicely within your drawing. As soon as you enter the new value, AutoCAD will automatically update the text size so you can instantly see the changes. This makes it easy to test different sizes and find the one that looks best for your project. Changing text size may seem simple, but it can greatly improve the readability and overall appearance of your drawings. It also helps maintain consistency across different annotations and notes within your project. And that's it. That's how to quickly and easily change text size in AutoCAD drawings. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps a lot.